Box office. Avengers Endgame assembles second biggest second weekend ever. So apparently, Avengers Endgame is doing very well. So let's take a look at this word here in this sentence. Disney's Avengers Endgame is continuing its unprecedented box office run, assembling another $145 million at the domestic box office during its second weekend in theaters. Wow, that's a pretty long sentence. But the word I want to look at here is unprecedented. And this word means that, let's see here, unprecedented. It means that something has never been done before. So this means that the assembling of $145 million at the domestic box office in its second weekend has never been done before. So this is a big deal. Another example sentence would be California has received unprecedented levels of rain this year. So this means that California received record-breaking levels of rain this year. So no other time in history, in written history, recorded history, has California received so much rain. Another example would be Johnny always received C's and D's in school, but he received an A this semester, which is unprecedented. So this means that Johnny always received average or poor grades, relatively speaking, in school, but he finally received an A, and this is the first time he has ever received an A. So it is unprecedented. Another example would be the volcano caused unprecedented damage. So this means that no other volcano in history has caused so much damage. This is the most damage that a volcano has ever caused. Okay, so hopefully this gives you an idea of what unprecedented means and how you can use it in a sentence. And as always, if you'd like to check out the full article about this Avengers Endgame record-breaking feat, you can check out the link below.